I am pleased to congratulate JA Canada in celebrating the 40th anniversary of this premier international student event. Next Generation Leaders is one of the most widely attended youth professional development forums in the JA Worldwide organization, with over 30 nations having participated from every region in the world. It is also one of the most valuable career-building opportunities you can provide to youth as a sponsor or as a local JA office. The best high school students from our Global JA Company program come together with top university faculty and industry experts to face real business challenges. Next Generation Leaders is the forum to realize their potential by developing new skills, new global relationships, and new perspectives. These young people are the next leaders of business and society. I encourage you to participate and experience this showcase of everything that JA has to offer.